What if I told you cats have an amazing acrobatic skill? It's not just luck. Cats are known for their incredible ability to land on their feet, and it's all thanks to their unique anatomy and instincts. Here's the real story. Cats have a unique righting reflex that helps them land on their feet almost every time. This reflex begins to develop at just a few weeks old, and there's more to it. Their flexible spine and lack of a collarbone play a huge role. This flexibility allows them to twist their bodies in mid-air to ensure a safe landing. Their bodies are designed to absorb the impact of a fall, making them the ultimate acrobats of the animal kingdom. Like, share, and follow for more amazing cat facts. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of our feline friends.